used to have to take 2 of these big totes. One for the floor and the canopy. Now it's down to 1 because I changed the floor out. The floor was really big, thick, and now that we have an insulated floor, go Birch, I just sewed canvas. I got this canvas and I sewed it to 10 by 12, and it fits perfectly in there. It's much lighter, packs down smaller, and yet still gives us a nice clean floor. And I can stick that in the washing machine. I couldn't stick the other carpet in there. So that's a huge improvement. Made us pack a lot lighter. One less huge tote, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it is. If we had to bring that other tote with us, we would have had to put the cargo rack on the hitch to carry it. So we're pretty well maxed out. Alright, so this is the 10 by 12 Davis tent, and I also bought the rainfly for it, but this rainfly also helps with heat retention in the winter, so it's always on. I've never set this tent up without it. Protects the canvas, it sheds snow, it sheds water, it sheds ice, it's very good, and it creates that second layer on the ceiling for insulation, so it does help. Although with how warm it is this weekend, we're not going to need it, but I just like setting it up to protect the canvas. So yeah, back at it. Now that we're up the main shell, I've still got all the sides to do to stabilize them, but here we go. A nice 7-ish, I think 7'5" ceiling, 5-foot sidewalls, 10 by 12. You can see my new floor. It's actually a cream color, kind of khaki, which is a lot brighter. I had gray in here before, so it actually looks nice and bright in here. But yeah. Here we go. We can start setting up inside now. Got a window in the back. We've got the storm front door, stove jack. We're ready to go. All right, so here we are. We're set up. I'll come out here just quickly. Yeah. All right. So here's the setup. The chairs are just kind of off to the side for now, but you can see the space between the 2 cots. We used to put 2 Teton XXLs in here, and there was maybe, I don't know, a foot and a half aisle in the middle. But downgrading to these cots, I don't know if it's a downgrade, but we had to get different cots that had shorter end bars or no end bars so that they would work in the Russian Bear. But we've got our camp kitchen in this corner. It's not set up yet, but this is usually, so the end of a cot. You know, we got some water, dog bags, a food tote, little camp kitchen here. This one is the small one that I wanted to use in the Russian Bear. So I'll set up my stove, my little burner on there, and the jug of water. That's about it. And then we've got cot number 1. We've got our main aisleway here. Cot number 2, this is Birch's, so he's up off the ground. And then cot number 3, this is mine. Hey bud. Good boy. No, your sister's in there. Yeah, so here's cot number 3, this is mine. And then we've got the stove. So this is the larger Nuway stove. Good boy. And it's 40,000 BTU. I've got it on 2/3 heat right now. I've got the new chimney configuration that I'm doing with all my tents this year, so I've figured that one out. It fits perfect now. I don't even need snare wire running outside to hold it in place. It's pretty sturdy this way. So, and then looking back at the beds, this is kind of what it looks like at that end. So definitely getting nice and warm in here. I'm burning off the new glue, so I can't close the door quite yet. And yeah, that's it. Good boy. All right, well, we are set up. So the whole thing took 3 hours roughly. We kind of messed around a bit. We stopped for a couple breaks, had a drink. So everything is set now. We've got the 10 by 12 Prospector tent made by Davis Tents and Awnings. I believe that's Colorado. And I got the Eskimo Quick Fish 6 set up as our kitchen. I've kind of parked my truck in the way as well so that we can set up a fire pit there and kind of be in our own little bowl here. But we've got living quarters, we've got heat on both buildings, and yeah, I think we're just ready now to finally enjoy it and just relax. And then in here, oh, I never took any lanterns out. Oh, it's warm in here. So we've got the buddy heater going. Camp kitchen is all set up. And we've got, you know, all of our food and everything ready. So, a couple couches. So all 4 of us can be comfortable in here. Yeah, ready to go. Got everything set up. Trying out a whole bunch of new gear this weekend too. Good boy, come on. There you go.
Oh, you got a window to look out.
Got a window? 2 of them. Alright. We've got some water boiling. We're going to put some hot dogs in there. And then we're going to add this penne pasta with spicy tomato sauce. Kind of like a boil in a bag, really. But it all gets done in a pot, so we'll have to do dishes. Hey, bud. Yeah. It's just after 5, probably quarter after, 20 after 5 by now. So we're just going to cook up supper and then move to the other tent, shut this one down, and yeah, probably just have a drink or 2 in the other tent and watch a movie and hit the sack. Wow, good morning everyone. Well, I've got the water heating up for coffee. It's really not this bright outside. I've just got those 2 brand new really bright lanterns on so it looks like it's middle of the day. It's quite dark still outside and overcast, so yeah, I got this new pot here. I think it's going to be a great addition. It's Mastiff gear is what it's called, and it's 1400 mils, so 1.4 liters. That's big enough to fill our travel mugs with coffee and her teapot on the side as well. So that'll be just perfect. It's the right size to, you know, I could make my, if I'm going alone or with just Birch, it's the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it works for when both the wife and myself go out. Yeah, it's just the perfect size for coffee, for soup, for anything like that. I think 1.2, 1.4, anywhere in there is the perfect size for us. Let's see how this does. Oh yeah. How much should I fill it?
Mine?
Yeah.
You can go right up near the top.
Okay. And what do we have left? Perfect. We have almost 2 cups left for probably about 400 mils. Yeah, that's awesome. Well, we're getting some pretty awesome weather right now. There we go. Well, looks good. Put it back in, brown the top.
It looks like it kind of might be a good thing you opened it up like that. It looks really hot.
That's good. It could have used 5 more minutes, but...
Why do you say 5 more minutes?
Well, the ham isn't burning my face off. But it's not cold. Oh. It's very windy. And lots of snow coming down. Got a good inch on the tarp already. Oh, we're gonna take the dogs for a walk, and then probably go to the main tent and just relax for the day till lunchtime. I think we're gonna play games or something. Oh, but we gotta take the dogs for a walk, burn off some energy. Whew. All right, let's do this. Oh, there's camp there behind us. I tightened everything on the Davis tent this morning. All the tie outs are nice and tight again. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh, oh. Hey, down. Little bugger. Hey. Good girl, let's go. Birch. Settle down, bud. Long stick.
No peeking.
Wasn't. Oh man, it's freezing in here. Just gonna, no light there. Just gonna cook up some kebabs and some garlic toast on here. All right. Well, we got garlic bread and shish kebab, pork kebabs for a little lunch, and then I don't know, we'll play sticks again maybe. But food's ready.
Are some of these more done than the other?
Yes, this is my stack. They're more done.
Oh, that's my stack.
Sapporo. So good. Oh, it's good. It's good too. It's not dried out, but it's done.
Well, they were only supposed to take like 6 to 8 minutes, not long.
Well, it took more than that.
Were they thawed?
Nope. 2 of them were still pretty frozen.
Mm-hmm.
Is all I wanna do. You can climb the ladder to rock the boat while I barbecue.
Don't eat that.
Shake your ways and catch your rays up on the roof. So that don't happen. Party in slow motion.
Don't let him buy. Don't let him buy.
It's your favorite song, eh, Nika? Yeah.
Are you looking at pictures now?
I'm on video.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. It's windy out there. Yeah, that's okay, bud. So, all the temperature gauges have been out for a while. So basically, on the table, which is what would you say, how high is that? 2.5 feet? 3 feet?
It's 3 feet.
So about 3 feet off the ground, we're at 20 degrees. This one. And then on the ceiling, we're at 24. And then about a foot off the ground, we're at 11. And that's like underneath Birch's cot. And then outside, minus 8.8. Hey, I just did a gear review on the Nature Hike chair not long ago. And I said that there was one that come out with arms. Well, that's what I got for Christmas. The Nature Hike chair. Compact. Folds up real easy. Has a cup holder and arms. It is comfy. It is a perfect chair. So, very happy with it. Oh, I think that was further. Yep, really good chair. Happy with it. It feels good. And most of all, it's got a cup holder. That's okay, bud. So that's awesome. Oh, well, I've got a projector in my way, but we got homemade turkey soup. See if you can see that here. Turkey soup and barley, veggies, carrots, onions, celery. It was very good. And it's really hot, so I might set up the movie. We might watch a movie while we eat. But this will be the last meal we have tonight. And then a movie, it's what time, did you say? After 8 now.
7:55.
7:55, so almost 8 o'clock. So, good soup before bed. Probably watch a movie, so there's another hour and a half. 8:30. 8, 9:30. 9:30, 10. We'll be probably done. Oh, man, it's dark out. We got a cool looking moon tonight. That's a cool looking moon. Dear, look at the screen behind me. You can see all the trees through it. Alright. Well, we're halfway through the movie, maybe more. But I got hungry, so we're gonna make some Jiffy Pop here on the Nuway stove.
You know, Jiffy Pop was supposed to be for a gas range or camp stove.
No.
The caution says do not allow young children to play unsupervised. Do not pop on glass tops around rain, over charcoal grill, open campfire, or other uneven foods.
Look at that, eh? That's good looking popcorn. There. Hey? There we go. We got some Jiffy Pop. We're good. Yeah. It's actually minus 11.4 outside. 26 at the peak. 12 mid-ground. Or 12 1 foot off the ground. And 22.8 mid-ground. So, doing pretty good. And we are nowhere close to on high. We are 1.5. It's probably too dark to see. But basically going 1.5 elements. So, it's pretty good. I just switched the tanks. Because the other one's super light. But I'm still going to be able to get maybe a couple hours of low out of that one tomorrow. So, doing good. But it's bedtime. See you in the morning. Morning, everyone. This is our last night here for our 3-day camp. We just had some coffee. And I've got the ice shack warming up right now so that we can move over there and cook breakfast. And the dogs are going crazy, so I think they need to go run.
Why did you pluralize that again?
Because she's crazy.
One is going crazy.
This guy needs to burn off some energy, so. Alright, time to go for a walk. Let's go, Birch. Dogs need to burn off some energy. Let's go. Whew. Let's go, bud. Yeah, he needs to burn off. He's just been going crazy all morning. Let's go. It's still chilly out here. It got to minus 12 last night. Minus 11.9 or something like that Celsius. Let's go. Let's go. Birch, come! Birch, come here! Come on, bud! Come on! Alright, we're back in the cook shack here. We are doing a bunch of appetizers for New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna get the tray filled. We are at 450. That's where I need to be. Boy, that's a bright light. Hey, hey, hey. Settle down, Birch. You're okay. So, my jalapeno poppers go in first. Okay. There we go. What do we got? Brie and leek tartlets, jalapeno poppers, everything cheese bites, and cheddar cheese bites. That is wave one. Wave one of many.
Looks like it was a little hot, eh?
Yeah, she got hot.
Oh, so hot.
Oh, but they're probably so good.
So hot, bub. Oh.
Some Asian party pack from M&M Foods. We got spring rolls, something else, pork, chicken, shrimp, jumbo shrimp, bunch of stuff. Good boy.
What's your clock say?
11:59, 45 seconds. Uh-oh, where's the bottle? Oh my god.
I'll have to change my clock. It's off by 2 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know how to get into this. Oh, there we go. Are you popping this one?
It doesn't matter. You can if you want.
I don't care. Oh boy.
10! 9! Oh no, I think that's a minute. Yeah.
No, you're right. I think.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Wait, I gotta get this off. Yeah.
Woo!
Okay. Okay. 2024. It's 2024, guys. Yeah. Well, that was a good camp. Good setup. Good food. Nice trip. Now all the work begins tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hang everything out to dry. Laundry. Ah, it's alright. Good boy. Alright everyone, well, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2024. Hopefully it's a lot better than 2023. And we'll see you in the morning for pack up day. Morning everyone. Well, we've done a lot of packing up in here already. We still have a lot to go. Truck's running. We're getting to the point now where we're going to be taking our cots down, so there'll be nowhere to sit or lay for the dogs. So we'll have to put them in the truck for a bit or let them run around outside for a while. Yeah, just probably another at least hour I would think of tear down. Load the truck and we'll be out of here. I know. You're so talkative. Okay. Well, everyone, we're loaded. We are ready to go home. So we spent 3 days and 3 nights out here. There's the 10 by 12 footprint for the Davis tent. And then right there is the footprint from the ice shack. So, what a great trip. It's been a long time since I've used the Davis tent. That was fun to use that again. It's a lot of work. That big tent is a lot of work, but it's worth it. You got every comfort and luxury of home in that thing. We hope everyone had a happy new year, and we're off home to go set everything up again to dry out. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.